Welcome to Men Talk Live. I'm Dr. Olivia Smith. Every 40 seconds, someone in the United States suffers a devastating cardiovascular event. Right now, as you watch this broadcast, hundreds of hearts are physically struggling to pump blood. But here is the terrifying medical reality. The vast majority of people who collapse from sudden heart failure had warning signs weeks before, but they completely misdiagnosed them as simple indigestion, stress, or muscle fatigue. Tonight, we are breaking down the wall of misinformation. Most people use the terms heart attack and cardiac arrest interchangeably, but clinically, they are completely different medical emergencies. Mixing them up could cost you or your loved ones their lives. Tonight, I am going to give you the exact medical blueprint, the mechanical breakdown of a failing heart, the 4 silent warning signs you are ignoring right now, and the 4-step emergency protocol that can save a life in seconds. Lock into this screen. This is the most critical 10 minutes of your health this year. To survive a heart crisis, you must understand how this engine works. Think of your heart through 2 distinct engineering systems, the plumbing system and the electrical system. Let's look at a heart attack, myocardial infarction. This is strictly a plumbing problem. Your heart muscle requires a constant supply of oxygen-rich blood through the coronary arteries. Over time, due to systemic inflammation, high sugar, and oxidized LDL cholesterol, a sticky plaque builds up. Suddenly, this plaque ruptures, forming a blood clot. Mechanically, the pipe is blocked. Blood flow stops completely. The heart muscle downstream begins to suffocate and literally die cell by cell. The patient is conscious, in pain, and screaming for help because their pipes are clogged. Clinical insight. During a heart attack, the heart does not stop beating immediately. It is struggling, gasping for oxygen, but it is still pumping. You have a window of time to clear the plumbing. Now, let's contrast that with sudden cardiac arrest. This is a severe electrical problem. Your heart relies on a natural pacemaker called the SA node, which sends microelectrical currents to tell the muscle fibers when to contract in perfect rhythm. In cardiac arrest, the electrical system glitches catastrophically. The heart enters a state called ventricular fibrillation. It stops pumping and begins to quiver like a bowl of jello. Mechanically, the output drops to 0. Blood stops flowing to the brain instantly. The patient collapses, loses consciousness, stops breathing normally, and clinically dies within seconds unless an electrical shock resets the system. A heart attack is a plumbing clog. Cardiac arrest is a power outage, and a plumbing clog can trigger a power outage. Your body almost never enters a catastrophic heart event without dropping clues first. Your nervous system sends subtle mechanical red flags weeks in advance. Here are the 4 warning signs you must never dismiss. Sign number 1, unexplained indigestion and upper GI burning. Many heart attack victims, especially women, mistake early cardiac ischemia for acid reflux. If you suddenly experience a heavy, crushing sensation in your upper stomach or chest after walking or experiencing stress, and an antacid does absolutely nothing, that is not acid. That is your heart crying out for oxygen because a coronary artery is narrowing. Sign number 2, radiating pain in the jaw, neck, or left arm. Why the jaw? This is a biological phenomenon called referred pain. The nerve pathways that supply the heart muscle travel up the spinal cord and share the same neural highways as the nerves supplying your jaw, neck, and left shoulder. When the heart muscle is injured, the brain misinterprets the signal, making you feel like you have a severe toothache or a pulled shoulder muscle. Sign number 3, sudden, overwhelming fatigue and shortness of breath. If you suddenly find yourself completely winded, sweating, or exhausted after climbing a single flight of stairs, something you used to do effortlessly, your heart's ejection fraction is dropping. The heart mechanically cannot pump enough blood to meet the demands of your muscles, forcing your lungs to work double time. Sign number 4, unprovoked cold sweats and lightheadedness. When an artery blocks, your sympathetic nervous system kicks into overdrive, dumping a massive surge of adrenaline into your bloodstream. This causes your blood vessels to constrict instantly, forcing your body into a cold, clammy sweat accompanied by dizziness as blood pressure fluctuates. If you sweat heavily while sitting perfectly still in a cool room, your body is yelling for help. If someone collapses in front of you, or if you experience these symptoms alone, you do not panic. You execute this exact medical protocol immediately. Step 1, call 911 and demand an AED. Every second counts. Explicitly tell the dispatcher, "I suspect a cardiac event." This ensures they dispatch an advanced life support team with defibrillators. Step 2, the aspirin hack for conscious heart attacks. If you or someone else is conscious and experiencing crushing chest pain, chew a full-strength 325 milligram adult aspirin or 4 baby aspirins immediately. Do not swallow it whole, chew it. This mechanically speeds up absorption into the bloodstream, allowing the aspirin to antiplatelet the blood, stopping the clot from growing larger in the blocked artery. Step 3, high-quality CPR, hard and fast. If the person collapses, loses consciousness, and stops breathing, they are in cardiac arrest. The plumbing issue has become an electrical blackout. Interlock your hands, place them in the center of their chest, and push down 2 inches deep at a rate of 100 to 120 beats per minute. Think of the rhythm of the song "Stayin' Alive." You are mechanically acting as their heart, pumping blood to their brain to keep them alive. Step 4, deploy the AED immediately. If an automated external defibrillator is available in the building, open it. The machine walks you through every step via voice prompts. It will scan the heart's electrical rhythm and only deliver a shock if the system needs an electrical reset. You cannot mess this up. The machine does the thinking for you. Your cardiovascular system isn't designed to fail. It's designed to protect you, but you have to listen to the mechanical warnings it gives you. Protect your endothelial lining by cutting out inflammatory seed oils, keeping your metabolic health in check, and ensuring your body has adequate magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids to maintain electrical stability. Have you or a loved one ever experienced a sudden scare or one of these silent signs? Let's share our stories and raise awareness in the comments below. Your comment might literally save someone's life tomorrow. If you found this medical breakdown valuable, click the like button, share this video with your family, and subscribe to Med Talk Live. I'm Dr. Olivia Smith. Keep your heart's conveyor belt moving, stay safe, and I will see you in our next medical deep dive.